Local news for Monday the 18th of December. Tourism Minister Kelvin Davis has announced the government is investing around $223,000 to support the Wairarapa's growing visitor industry. The funding is part of a $14.2 million nationwide investment in visitor-related infrastructure projects and feasibility studies. Infrastructure co-funded in the Wairarapa includes the upgrading of the existing toilet facilities at the Castle Point Lighthouse and for the construction of toilet facilities at White Rock, Sandy Bay and Ngawi. A busy Sunday for emergency services across the region with several fire call-outs. They also responded to a stingray attack at Riversdale Beach just after 1 p.m. yesterday. The man is in a moderate condition with an injury to his lower leg. The Westpac rescue helicopter was called and the patient was taken to hospital. They also responded to a call after a diver was reported missing just before 1 p.m. at Flat Point. The man was one of a party of 3. A local helicopter and the Navy assisted in searching the area and the search will resume again this morning. And in sport, Red Star are the Umpires' Cup cricket champions. With Lansdowne all out for just 58, Red Star went on to win by 9 wickets. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.